Hello everyone, welcome back and welcome to our today's tutorial. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by to check on my content. Please consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new tutorial, you'll be among the first people to be notified. And for the returning subscribers, thank you for coming back to support. Please give this video a like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. In our today's video, we are going to crochet this beautiful baby headband, and it's a size for 3 to 6 months old. We are going to use the shell stitches, and it's very simple pattern and very fast to make. So let's get into our video. So what we need for this project is yarn. You can use any color that you have. We need a crochet hook. This is size 4.5, and we need a yarn needle. We need a pair of scissors and a tape measure. So we are making a headband for a baby between 3 and 6 months old, and all you need to get right is the head circumference. So for 3 to 6 months old, it's measuring between 13 and 15 inches. So to start by making a slip knot, then insert your hook in that loop and make a total of 9 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4 until you have 9, and 9. So I have 9 chains, and the next step is to skip the first chain and into the next one make a single crochet. So go into the next chain and make a single crochet, into the next chain a single crochet, into the next chain a single crochet, and we are going to make one single crochet in every chain across this first row. And at the end of our first row, we'll have a total of 8 stitches. Okay, so we complete row 1. Into the next row, chain 3 and turn your work. Skip 3 stitches, and in the 4th stitch you're going to make a shell stitch. So grab yarn, then we are skipping 1, 2, 3 into the 4th, make 3 double crochets. So that is 1, 2 and 3. Chain 2, in the same stitch make 3 double crochets. So our shell stitch will have 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets in the same stitch. So this is our first row of shell stitches with 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. So the next step is skip the 1, 2, 3 and in the 4th stitch make a double crochet. So we've completed row 2. The next row, chain 3, turn your work, skip these first 3 stitches, and into the chain 2 space make a shell stitch. So make 3 double crochet chain 2 and make 3 more double crochets in the same space. Then skip these 3 stitches and make a double crochet in the 3rd stitch. So it's 1, 2, and in the 3rd stitch make a double crochet. So next row, chain 3, turn your work, skip all these stitches and go into the chain 2 space and make a shell stitch. So you make 3 double crochets, chain 2, and repeat making 3 double crochets in the chain 2 space. So we have 3 double crochets, chain 2, make 3 double crochets in the same space. Then skip all these stitches and make a double crochet in the 3rd chain. So that is the row we are going to repeat to the end, and I'll meet you when I have 15 inches of our headband. So keep on making the shell stitches. By chaining 3, you turn your work, make 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets in the same space. Then skip these 3 stitches and make a double crochet in the 3rd chain. So I'll meet you at the end to show you the next step. So doing the last row of shell stitches, and I ended up with 22 shell stitches, and just to confirm if it's measuring the inches we need. So from this point to the other point, so we have 15 inches. Let me put it straight. Yeah, so 15 inches. And the next step is to join the 2. So chain 1 and turn, so that you work from the wrong side. So this is the wrong side and this is the wrong side. We're going to join them using a slip stitch. So insert your hook in both loops of this side that you're working from and both loops from the other side. Grab yarn, pull through to make a slip stitch. In the next stitch and on the other side, insert your hook, grab yarn, pull through to make a slip stitch. To the next, repeat that to the end. And we are going to skip these 2 chain space and going to the next stitch, and to the other side insert your hook, grab yarn and make a slip stitch to the next, like that, until you complete it. So when you get to the last stitch, remember we have 3 chains here which count as a double crochet. So we're going to insert our hook in the 3rd chain and into the last chain stitch on this side, insert your hook, grab yarn and pull through to make a slip stitch, then chain 1, tighten and cut your yarn, and we are going to hide these tails. So we have a flower for our headband, and the tutorial for this flower is on my channel, so I'm going to leave a link for this flower tutorial in the description box so that you can check it out. So instead of cutting this yarn, I'm going to pass it through to the right side and turn it inside out. Then I attach the flower. Okay, so just like that, and I'll repeat this to make sure it's well secured. Yeah. So this is the final look of our headband. Very beautiful and very simple to make. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial to this point. Please give this video a like if you did enjoy, and also share the link to your friends. And until next one, bye.